What you should do in life. When you are a child, you are not given proper, education by teacher. Mother, father is busy. Then, as soon as you grow, you are governed by the friends. As soon as how much education is over, you go for the service. In service, you got the temporary relief, not permanent relief. Because service can be terminated at any time. Then what you should do? The best way to start the life is trading. Trading means purchase and sell. In this profession, there is no loss at all. And particularly when you are trading in the vegetables, there is no loss at all, 0% loss. In fruits it can be 10%, 20%. So you keep the margin on it. But when you trade in the vegetables, there is no loss because within 5 days the material is sold out, and in this period there is no, deteriorate the goods. And then what you have to do, you have not to do for a small one. Start with a small one, then go to the wholesale one. Wholesale one, there is a, sale within 3 days. If you are going to in the potato, onion, then it can be take little time, but not more than 8 days. Margin is very good. Very good margin. Never go in any trade by taking the loan. Any business, don't take loan at all. Until unless you don't have the money, if there is a loss, you can repay the loan. Otherwise, your money also go. Particularly Indian banks are useless for the poor, totally useless for the students. They want the collateral guarantee from you, but they don't want collateral guarantee from the big people. A building can be mortgaged 10 times as a collateral guarantee in banks. And the person go on taking the money, business fails, all money gone, money belongs to poor, not to the bank. Entire system is hoax. RBI is hoax, he is giving the license, but not monitoring anything. In this, what to do? Do you see that you should do everything with you. If 1 lakh people are at one place, at one system, banks can be created. Don't give loan, don't give any interest, but at least your money should not go to the drain. That is going on, it will go on till the people do not understand it. Entire government is to suppress the poor. Suppress the poor, suppress. At present it is on the extreme side. Lakhs of the people you see who were in the lockdown, no government can provide food to 100%. You can provide 50%, 60%, 70%. What about 30%? When 5 crores people are in the market, then to have the food. Nobody is having food more than 8 days. Here you are locking down for 20 days, 21 days, again 21 days. Then everything is over, everything is finished now. Poor has gone to the poorest one. Middle class has lost every savings. And the money people have increased. Reliance share has increased 100% now. How? From where the money came to them? From banks. None other banks. You put the old share in the bank, take the loan. Again you go to the same lot of old share with the new price. Again you got the loan. The system is totally hoax. Everything. So people should not go, for the service. They should go for the trading only trading. Trading is the business where you can survive, In this corona period, lockdown period, only traders, they are became richer by 100%. They charge the customer, 25% more. And our system is totally useless. MRP is just 25% more. I want to publish it, and I will give you more things, practical things. Thank you.